Hello, this is my cleaning series of the week. I'm going to straighten up my office. It's sitting in my den. This is my desk. I'm going to clean up my desk. Look at this, guys. And all over here. I have needed to tackle this for a while. So I'm going to do that. The first thing I need to do is clean off this desk. You see what's on my desk first. Hand sanitizer. I always keep that on my desk anyway. Air freshener. Under my desk. Scarf that I didn't wear for St. Patrick's Day. This is a drop-off point. Just a drop-off point. Drop everything on the desk. So what I'm going to do is take everything and put it in this container, and I'm going to sort them out. I saw these little feather pencils for my grandbabies. And now we have to wait till we get together. I bought these for, can you believe I bought these for $1 a long time ago at the Dollar Tree? Dollar Tree has some nice things. Look at there. I told you this is my drop-off point. These are sharp. Look at those. They're so cute. I just bought them from the Dollar Tree and dropped them in here. I think I put them in this case. Look at that. I'm gonna put on my desk for a while. I bought glasses so we could have on our trip. Everybody was gonna dress and take a picture with these glasses. I bought enough for everybody, and I'm praying that we still go on our trip to Orlando this summer. We gotta get away. Falcons game. So upset. Lord, things gotta get better, guys, so we can stop these happening. But I am able and blessed to work because I'm a manager at one of the local stores, and we are still open. Thank God. Okay, so this is what I'm like. I bought a bunch of these with the coronavirus, and so nothing like this. It's needed so bad. I love this cute little ramp. Let's see how it looks now. And you see my shelf up here. I have it decorated already. One thing I need to do is just let me wipe him off a good look. Look how clean he is now. Oh, I don't know what to put him. Sometimes you want to just throw things away. Where he's gonna go? Let's leave him over here with me. And I purchased this ale. It is a little Easter basket from Kroger's. It was $3.99. So as soon as my desk dry off, I'm gonna put some things back on it, including my laptop, because I use my phone a lot. But sometimes I like to sit at my desk and use. Keeps me company. That is the size puppy that I'm looking for. If you all know anybody who has puppies like that in Georgia that's selling them, please let me know, because I'm looking for one that size. Well, hello, this is Loretta Living. Letting you know this is the end of the series with Clean With Me. So mine was Clean With Me. My desk, I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. I want to thank Miss Diva Design for inviting me to do this. It was so much fun. She was such a person who always wanted to do something to help your house. So Miss Diva Design, I really want to thank you, and I'll show you my desk now. There's the cart that I put together to put things in, and my furry chair, and my beautiful rabbit ready for the holiday. And most of all, my L and Believe sign on my desk. So this was such a challenge. I want to thank Miss Diva Design for helping me decorate my small area, my office. Thank you so much, Diva, for helping me clean up an area that I needed to work on.